In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layout size in AutoCAD to A3 paper size. Whether you're new to AutoCAD or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the steps one by one to ensure your layout is perfectly set up for A3 printing. Let's start by focusing on the command line, the heart of many AutoCAD operations. Here, you will type Page Setup, all as one word without spaces, and then hit Enter. This command will usher you into the Page Setup Manager, which essentially acts as your control center for managing layout properties. Once inside the Page Setup Manager, you'll be presented with a list of your available layouts. This list displays all the layouts that are currently set up in your drawing. Your next move is to select the specific layout for which you want to adjust the paper size. Be sure to click on the layout you intend to modify carefully to proceed without any hitches. After you've selected the layout, your next step is to click on the Modify button. This action will open the Page Setup dialog box, which is packed with options to tweak your layout settings. This box is where you'll make the crucial adjustments to set your paper size to A3. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll notice a section labeled Printer Plotter. Here, you need to ensure that the correct printer or plotter name is chosen, as this can sometimes affect the available paper sizes. Make sure to double-check this to align with your operational setup. Now, let's move to the bottom of this dialog box, where you'll find the Paper Size option. It's in this section that you can select from a range of paper sizes. Click on this list, and as you scroll, locate and select A3. Selecting A3 ensures that your layout will be set to the dimensions commonly needed for various architectural and engineering designs. Once you've made your selection, it is crucial to confirm your changes by clicking the OK button. This will save your settings and return you to the Page Setup Manager. Your chosen layout is now set to A3 size, ready for printing or further detailing. And there you have it, a straightforward method to change your layout size to A3 in AutoCAD. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these setups not only aids in your present tasks, but also builds your proficiency with the software over time. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other tutorials for an even deeper dive into AutoCAD's capabilities. Thank you for joining me, and happy designing!